Self-Care Sunday. This is week 3, and today I have brought you to one of my favorite spots out here in nature. I am in Topanga, where I live, and I come up to this beautiful place called Eagle Rock. And oh, I love being up here. You'll see behind me, you'll see the ocean, and then here's a beautiful scene that I get to see as I climb up here on this beautiful rock. It's a little dry here. It's still really stinking hot here in November. But nonetheless, this is a very important place for me and a very important place for self-care. My family and I, we come up here for barefoot hikes at least a couple times a week for sunset. And for me, I believe that nature is one of the key aspects for self-care. Because when we go into nature, we give ourselves a break from our lives. We take a moment to be with ourselves and to unplug from our computers, to unplug from relationships, to unplug from all the drama that is in our lives. And when we come out in nature, we can let go of it, and we can leave some of that in nature and come back refreshed and refueled. Not only is it just about letting go of your day and getting a different perspective with nature, but nature is healing, right? There's a lot of studies. There's a wonderful book called Grounding, and it talks about how we are so disconnected from the earth these days because we are so plugged in to our computers, and that the earth actually has a subtle electric force that helps us to release chronic inflammation and stress in our bodies. So we're not walking around barefoot anymore. We're not sleeping on the earth. And so what do we need to do? We need to connect more to the earth. We do need to find a little spot in nature where we can put our feet and allow the earth to actually heal us, to calm us, to release that stress. And so today, I am bringing a little nature to you and hopefully inspiring you to get yourself out into nature. And I'm going to lead you through a meditation. And this meditation, I'm going to get out of the sun here. I'm going to bring you into this little cave over here. It's a really sweet little spot. Yeah. And just to bring a little nature into your body, into your spirit today. Let's do that. Okay, here we are. So the invitation is to just find a place where you can really feel yourself, really drop in. You can either lie down or sit. I want you to just go ahead and close your eyes and just find your breath. Very simple. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. And with every inhale and every exhale, you're just letting yourself drop down deeper into your body. And just continue breathing. Inhaling and exhaling. And allow your attention to move down into the lower part of your body, down into your root chakra, down into your solar plexus, down into your sacral chakra, your lower center. And as you sit here, just allow yourself to imagine a beautiful scene that you're in nature. Maybe you're on a beautiful mountain like me. Maybe you're out in a meadow, lots of trees and flowers. Or maybe you are at the beach with the ocean and the waves. Wherever you are, feel yourself there. Smell yourself. Allow the sun to shine on you, the wind, and wherever you are right now in this beautiful scene, go ahead and allow yourself to feel the earth below you. Connect into the earth below you. Feel yourself like roots rooting down into the earth, pouring your roots down into the earth. Feel your roots going down through the soil, the rocks, down in through the layers of water, and down into the fiery core of the earth. And as you do that, feel that you're letting go of anything that you don't need. It's pouring down into the center of the earth. Now from the very center of the earth, feel the earth coming up to meet you, to meet your body, feeling your legs and your pelvis and your whole being pouring up through your body, the earth filling you from the bottom, through your torso, the energy of the earth filling up your arms and your hands, your neck and your head with such grace and ease and full groundedness in your whole being. And just take a few breaths there to feel that grounding in your whole being. Inhale and exhale. Filling up with the energy of the earth. And one more beautiful breath, filling yourself up with the earth and nature and all the elements. And when you're ready, just gently open your eyes. Feeling some energy, feeling a moment of self-care. Oh, I feel good. Oh, I hope you do too. And I'm pouring this earth energy onto you. I'm pouring some self-care into your day, inspiring you to take actions for yourself. Oh, this has been wonderful, and I invite you to join me next week for our last week of Self-Care Sundays. Unless I'm inspired some more, we will see. Yeah, but go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that these videos can come straight to you. And do check out my website, which is loveyourbodyloveyourself.com. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.